Hey guys, JLS for Jammers. We're doing a bike check. It's not my bike, it's his. Just wanted to do it for him. Start off at the top. Haro bars, 8-inch rise, 28 wide. Haro stem or like whatever, and the forks are Haro. Gazette grips, like worn down, and blank bar ends, Zoomy sticker. Haro recycled plastic pedals. Haro cranks and sprocket, and I don't know the chain, but yeah. Haro slip seat, Haro seat clamp, just a normal seat post. Alien Nation rims, and yeah, front hub is like Haro, and the tires are Kenda, and the back hub is like Quander or whatever, or like Haro, and frame is Haro, obviously, and yeah, that's it. And his hub sound is like fucked.
No, guys, because here's the story, okay? I have completely unsealed freaking hub bearings. So, pretty much, don't move the bike. Pretty much, here, I'll show you guys. In my hub, see how it goes like over here? It's like fatter and then it's thin over there. What happened is we opened it up and we were gonna like clean off some grease, make it a little louder. And I have 2 rings of unsealed bearings, and we kind of shook it and all the freaking bearings fell inside. And when we put my tire back on, it didn't move. It was just like staying there.
Yeah, that's it.
So what we had did was what we did,
The grips, bar ends.
so what we did is what's it called? We had
Oh yeah, this is the old bar ends, and we just put new ones.
Pass them.
They're like blanks.
So like I was saying, we took it and we opened it up, and the bearings kind of fell all inside, and when we put the tire back on, it didn't move. So what we did was, we had to put, what's it called? We put them back in, and I was like playing chopsticks with toothpicks in there, kind of, because it can't fit your hand in there, because, yeah, and then after that, we kind of screwed up, and we lost like 6 bearings. So the tire wouldn't move, so then we had to freaking go to a bike shop and they had to freaking put more bearings in, and that costed us $20 because we had to pay for labor and we had to pay for buying the actual bearings. So we kind of just screwed up, and at the end when we put it back on, we couldn't roll the tire backwards, like we couldn't just with the pedals, but we could roll the bike forward, and it sounded really good, like it was loud. And then the guy at the bike shop, when he put them back in, he greased it back up, so now it's really quiet, but before it was loud. But the only way that you can get the bearings to stay in effectively is to put grease. But you know, if you take a little longer, it might be a little harder, but if you put the bearings in carefully with grease and then wipe everywhere where the bearings aren't. Just if you have an unsealed hub with your bearings, as soon as you open it, you'll know. You'll take the top piece off and you'll see a ring, and then if you pull that out, you'll see the axle that goes right through the middle, and then around it is like some ridge, and it will have even more. So technically, if it's like that, don't touch it because your bearings are gonna fall, and you're probably just gonna have to pay to get it fixed. So leave it like that. And if you take it off and they all fall, well then don't tell your dad because he'll get mad at you. But and my dad told me so, but we did it anyways, and it sounded good for like 5 seconds. I had 5 seconds of glory, and then it sounded like
Shit.
like a freaking toaster oven, like it's yeah. So whatever, just don't try it at home. I mean, yes. Okay.
Element sticker. Haro seat. I can't see.
Zoomies.
Haro seat climb. Shout out to Zoomies, like best store ever. Right there.
But they don't sell BMX parts.
And CJ's.
CJ's skate park. It's a good skate park when it's cold outside.
Get some Van shoes.
All right, guys.
And that's some nice bike.